Hello friend, Shreyas here from shreyasyadav.com. In this Lightroom tutorial, we will learn how to export an image. Once you have imported and optimized your images, now it's time to get those images out of Lightroom and send it for a print or share it with magazine or share it with your friends. Image export is an one-stop toolbox for exporting an images out of Adobe Lightroom. We will see what are the essential options in an image export. After you have processed an image in a developed module of Adobe Lightroom, go to File and Export. A export dialog box will appear. So here are some of the essential options for image exporting. Now click on a File and Export and this export dialog will appear. So under Export File Location, specify where you want to export an image. You can select your hard drive or a folder or a subfolder location. Under the option of file naming, you can rename the file or keep the default name as an image number. With file settings, you can select what image format you want, such as JPEG, TIFF, DNG. Mostly you will be setting it to JPEGs. Color space can be selected. I set it to sRGB. Image quality and file size also you can adjust. Under image size and resolution, you can adjust the image sizing, also a resolution for the image. Under output sharpening, you can adjust how much sharpening you want to apply for a output image. Under the metadata option, there are different options available for exporting the image along with the metadata. So generally, I will use a copyright only. Watermarking is used for adding your name, copyright symbol, logo, or your website on an image. The best part of Lightroom watermark is that you can save your watermarking style as a preset. You can control the opacity, style, and position of the watermark with this option. Now let's go to Lightroom and learn how to export an image. I am under Develop Module, and then I click on File and Export. So the export dialog box will appear. Under the export location, you can specify a specific folder, okay, where you want to export the file. Under the file naming, there are different options such as file name, custom name, a sequence name. So usually I choose a default image number. Under file setting, there are different image formats such as JPEG, PSD, TIFF, PNG. I select a JPEG. Under the color space, there are different color space options available: sRGB, Adobe RGB, Pro Photo RGB. I select sRGB. You can either restrict the quality or restrict the file size. So here, this way you can select the quality or you can limit the file size as well. Then based on how you want to resize the image, there are different options available. You can resize the image based on width and height, dimensions, longest or the shortest edge, and those kind of things. For the resolution, for the online web version images, usually I choose 70 or 72. For a print versions, I select 240 or 300. Under the output sharpening, you can select a sharpening option, like do you want to sharpen it for screen, matte paper, or a glossy paper. So I select the screen, and amount of sharpening I will keep it to standard. Under metadata, there are multiple options available such as copyright, all the metadata, those kind of things. So usually I select a copyright only. And under the watermark option, I have already created the preset here. So let's look into. Here you can apply all kind of text, your name, your website, those kind of things. Also you can adjust the text, the opacity, the position of the your website, and also instead of text you can add your logo also by using the option a graphic. Then I click a done, and then I click an export. Thanks for watching this video. I have a special free gift for you. It's my 9-step Adobe Lightroom guide. It includes a Lightroom guide that shows you how to go from a raw image to an awesome image, how to use Lightroom tools to enhance the image, a free set of images for you to practice. To get this free guide, click on the link in a video description below. If you find this tutorial helpful, then subscribe and click on the bell icon so that when a new video is up, you will get a notification. And if you like this video, let me know in the comments below. Hey, again, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.